Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add pictures to your text messages on iPhone 17 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the Message app. And right here in the app, we want to select the person that we want to send the text message and add our picture to. So for me, it will be this guy right here. And now what you guys want to do is go over, click the plus button right here, and then select either camera or photos, so depending on the picture you want to send. If you want to send the picture from now, use the camera. If you want to send a picture from your gallery, select photos. And now I'll select this picture right here. And here we can add a comment or send. So now I'll just say, hello, hard reset, and now we can just send it. So now we have successfully sent our text with the added picture, and that's basically how it works. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.